There we go. That's not what I wanted to do. Good morning, everybody. We're back at it. It is a beautiful morning, but there's rain forecasted, so we need to keep a hustle going today as best we can. Let's see, what are we dealing with here? Aluminum. Alrighty. Let's see, one of these is bent already. Let's see how easy the rest of it. Let's see if we can get this to bend some more. I always prefer to keep things in the truck if possible. You've got a track or something in you. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna have to figure that one out. Alright, let the G-Man have the rest of that. Good morning, beat up ceiling fan. You're in really bad shape. I'm not even going to put you in the seat. I'll deal with you there. Clean up the mess. I love it when people are this courteous. There we go. It makes it really easy. Fan blade's probably in the trash. I'm not going to worry about it. The most you get off of the blades is going to be a little bit of pot metal, which is fine if they're there and they're obvious, but I'm not going to go digging around for it. Huh. Camera stand. That could be useful. A camera tripod. That could be very useful. I think the mailbox man left me a present. Boy, you're a biggin'. I'll be able to fill you up with all kinds of stuff. We're having us a pretty classic start to a scrap day here. We've had ceiling fans already. Now we've got an ironing board. Those computer shells were, and so the computer shells were from one of my clients. Yesterday, gave me a holler. Actually has 5. He had 5. The other 2 are sitting back at the ranch. I need to throw those in when I get done. They're full of small bits. I just didn't want them bouncing around back there, maybe coming open and having nuts and bolts scattered all over the place. And then the pieces of steel frame that you see are from a construction dumpster that I went by yesterday on the way back from my client visit. So that's why we're starting out with a little bit in the back of the truck. Not that much, no big deal. What do we got going here? Your plaster. Your metal. Oh, you're good and heavy. Man, that was really heavy. That was that fart cannon guy. God. You all may remember him from several street scrapping videos ago when I was right next to him when he fired up his fart cannon. Man. That was one loud car. Flatten you out later on. I had enough fun flattening stuff for a minute. Well, we got 2 houses next to each other, each with a pile of stuff, so let's see what we find. Not interested in Mr. Printer, but I will take Mr. Senor Monitor. Must be some food in here because the ants are going nuts on this thing. notebook, glass plates, plastic bins. Okay. Oh, a big CRT. Yeah, we're not going to take you. Hey, good morning. Yeah, oh, I see rack. Wire rack. Things are going well for the day here. We've got wire rack, we've got a big old umbrella. We'll be able to take that with plenty of steel. Your aluminum, painted extruded, which is a really good price actually. At least with my yard. You're probably painted extruded as well, so I'll pull you out later on. Let's go get that umbrella. Look at yeah. Let's see. This would be even better if I can get this off. Yay! That's much better. Much better indeed. There we go. Anything in there? Nope. Come on. Cooperate. You're coming with me whether you want to or not. So fighting me isn't gonna make it any easier on you. Okay, what do you all think? Doesn't matter what you all think. I know what the answer is. I'm not taking it. I've scrapped these out before. And yeah, there can be some decent boards and a nice chip in there, but it's a lot of plastic. That one's older too. It's got wood and stuff on it. One time I was helping a guy out, and there was one great big projector TV by his waste bin at his office. So I scrapped it out right on the spot and threw all the plastic right into the big dumpster. Now that was the way to scrap one of those bad boys out. All right. Got a Struta, another razor. This is not a battery operated one. Wow. Now then, what do we think? Do we think that's trash and I can take those plates? I'm not going to. I'm not going to. It's just error on the side of caution with that one. How you doing? I wonder if we can get this. Let's first see if we can do it on its side. Like this. Because that way I can, I hope. There we go. That's not what I wanted to do. All right. Doesn't want to play like that, so. That's not what I wanted to do either. All right. Well, now we're in cleanup mode. I'm going to put you all the way while I clean this mess up. Yeah, I tried to get clever putting that stove in, and well, let's just say it backfired. All right, Jack. Hello, chair. What do you say you come with me? And whatever you are, you can come with me too. What did I see? What did I see? Okay. Chicken wire. Some nice cable. Oh man, you're good and heavy cable too. Yeah. Take will definitely want you. Now let's see where we can shove you in here. There we go. There you are. Just hiding away from me, thinking I wouldn't notice. wheel. Of course, now I got to figure out where I'm putting all this. Okay. We may have to call this rod, this one done. Because when you can't put ubiquitous wire shelving in the back of the truck, there's just something wrong. All right, bed frames. confused me, man. I thought Monday was Wednesday.